In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a clickable link in Notion. Whether you're organizing your tasks, curating information, or simply enhancing your workspace, linking to other resources can greatly improve your productivity and workflow. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to open Notion and navigate to the Monday workspace or any workspace where you wish to add your link. Notion is wonderfully adaptable, allowing for many organizational methods, and starting at the correct page is key to maintaining clarity in your content structure. Once you're in your desired workspace, look for the option to add a page. This is usually represented by a plus icon. Clicking this icon allows you to create a new page where you can embed your link. Think of this page as a blank canvas. You can fill it with any kind of content that suits your needs, whether it be text, images, or in our case today, a link. Now, it's time to type in the text you want to be associated with your link. This could be anything from a straightforward label like project files or a motivational reminder like inspirational resources. The wonderful thing about Notion is its ability to personalize content, so pick whatever resonates with you. Once you've typed the text, simply press enter on your keyboard. This action is crucial as it saves the text input into your workspace. It's a simple yet necessary step to make sure everything's where it needs to be before you continue with embedding your link. Next comes the exciting part, embedding the actual link. Copy the URL you want to include in your Notion page. This could be a link to an external website, a document, or any online resource that will support your Notion setup. Once you have the URL copied, go back to Notion. You're going to paste this link into the workspace. Depending on your setup, pasting can usually be done with a simple command like Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. This action will position the link right where you want it, associated with the text you've already entered. Immediately after pasting the link, an option to click on URL will appear. Click on this to confirm the URL insertion into your text. Notion may present you with additional embedding options offering flexibility based on your specific needs. Take a moment to explore if you wish, or stick with the URL for a straightforward link insertion. And there you have it, a new clickable link embedded in your Notion page. This link can now serve as a bridge to vital resources, enhancing your productivity and the usefulness of your workspace. Nevertheless, always ensure the links you include are safe and relevant to your work. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you make your work in Notion even more efficient and enjoyable.